Are you tired of dry, cracked heels? Are your feet dehydrated, wrinkled, and uncomfortable to walk on? In this video, I'll share a simple recipe that will restore softness, smoothness, and relieve discomfort. Hello everyone! Today's topic is foot care. What causes dry, rough skin on your feet? One of the main reasons is long walking without shoes, another is uncomfortable shoes and high heels. They squeeze and injure your feet. And if your feet lack moisture and nourishment, the skin becomes dry, wrinkled, and loses its well-groomed appearance. Today I will show you a great homemade scrub made from natural ingredients and share a recipe for a relaxing bath. Follow all the steps and you will see results after just one treatment. Take a small container, pour in half a tablespoon of sugar and add the same amount of honey. Stir well, and your natural scrub is ready. Before the procedure, lay something on the floor to prevent staining or perform the scrub directly in the bath. Scoop up a small amount of the mixture and massage your feet in a circular motion. This peeling stimulates skin cell renewal, gradually removes the layer of dead skin and keratin, and triggers collagen production. As a result, the skin becomes softer and silkier. Now fill the basin with about 2 liters of warm water and add pre-brewed chamomile tea. Pour boiling water over 2 to 3 tea bags and leave for 5 minutes. Chamomile is known for its calming and restorative properties. It reduces inflammation, helps remove toxins, and eliminates fatigue, swelling, and pain in the legs. While your feet are soaking in warm water, add 5 drops of lavender essential oil. It accelerates skin regeneration and has pronounced soothing, antiseptic, and healing properties. Keep your feet in the bath for about 15 minutes. This will improve blood circulation, speed up metabolic processes in tissues, and reduce inflammation and swelling. After 15 minutes, dry your feet with a towel. Then apply your favorite nourishing or moisturizing cream. Cream with urea works especially well. It deeply moisturizes, softens calluses, deals with calluses, eliminates dryness, heals cracks, and makes heels smooth. A little life hack: if your legs are tired, sore, or swollen, lie on your back, raise them at about a 45-degree angle, and stay like that for about an hour. This improves venous blood flow to the heart, reduces swelling, and generally improves your well-being. By regularly repeating this treatment, you will make the skin on your feet soft, smooth, tender, and beautiful. Try this recipe, I am sure you will love it. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.